Do you want to add a blank comment on Instagram? You can post empty comments on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to comment blank on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add a blank comment on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, find the post where you want to leave a blank comment. Now, Instagram doesn't let you add a blank comment directly, but there's a workaround. You can copy and paste an invisible Unicode character into your comment. To do this, simply open the description box of this video and copy the blank character I've added there. Once copied, head to the comment section of the post and paste the invisible character. After pasting, just tap the send icon. You've successfully added a blank comment on Instagram. Now both you and other Instagram users will only see a blank space in the comments section.